Hey, how's it going? In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your channel name or your channel handle on YouTube. So how do you do it? It's pretty simple, but it is a little bit hidden. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is log into YouTube and go to the top right-hand corner. Click on your little account icon and then scroll down until you see YouTube Studio. Click on that. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a lot of different options for tabs to click on, but you're gonna wanna go and click on the customization tab. Well, first off, let's look at channel name. That's the name that appears at the top of your homepage when people visit your channel. It's right next to your little profile icon there. You can name yourself really whatever you want. It can be your personal name. It can be the name that you want to give your channel or you want your channel to be known by. Your name could be the same as other people's channels because, hey, a lot of people have the same name. You can change your name twice every 14 days, so you have some opportunities to play around with it, see what works, but again, you can only change it twice every 14 days. Now your handle is something completely different. That is the unique identifier that your channel has, so that when you share your YouTube channel, maybe it's on a different social media platform and you want to say, hey, check me out at youtube.com/@Agorapulse official, that is how people find you. So the big thing with a channel handle is it cannot be the same as the name of anybody else's YouTube channel handle. Your YouTube channel handle can be changed again twice every 14 days. And guess what? YouTube will save and give you the option to switch back to your old handle within that 14-day span. Now, after that 14-day span is up, they will release your old channel handle, which means that if you like it even a little bit, you gotta be a little bit careful when you're switching in between channel handles because you could end up losing your handle and somebody else could end up claiming it. It's so easy. That's how you change your YouTube channel name and channel handle. Thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time.